This is a direct response now to Congress leader Ajay Makan's personal attack. Union HRD Minister Smriti Irani says that she should be judged by her capabilities and her work. But a defiant Congress is escalating the fight. They are questioning the BJP on the discrepancies in the minister's affidavit.
Extraneous circumstances have been created to ensure that my attention is deviated from the body of work that I've been entrusted with. I have been judged by my organization with regards to my capacity to deliver on assignments. I will humbly request all of you that judge me by my work, and I think I would not like to add anything more to the statement that I have made.
कल सारे दिन इस पर हंगामा होता रहा, उसके बावजूद भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने कोई स्पष्टीकरण स्मृति ईरानी जी के बारे में नहीं दिया। उनके दो एफिडेविट सामने आए हैं। 2004 में उन्होंने लिखा था कि वो बीए पास हैं और 2014 में उन्होंने लिखा कि वो बीकॉम फर्स्ट ईयर की जो है वो तालिब इल्म रही हैं, स्टूडेंट रही हैं। तो इससे क्या जाहिर होता है कि उन्होंने एफिडेविट गलत फाइल किए हैं और ये एक तरह से क्रिमिनल एक्ट में आता है।
So there you are, the reactions both coming in from the Congress, also from Smriti Irani. To get us more perspective, Sneha is joining us this morning. Sneha, you know, Smriti Irani has made a very direct reply. In fact, she says that don't do this, don't distract me, let me do my work and then judge me. And in fact, many would say that that would be a very fair point. But is the Congress really going to buy that reply?
Well, the Congress definitely is not going to buy the reply. In fact, the Congress has really stepped up pressure on Smriti Irani, and they've also gone on to say that, fair enough, we're not talking about your qualification, your educational qualification. It's fine if you're holding the HRD minister's post, but what really went wrong in your election affidavits? One says that you are studying BCom first year, the other says that you're already a BA pass. So clarify on why that particular discrepancy in that affidavit. Are you lying? If you're lying, then it is a criminal offense. So the Congress has really taken it a step further by bringing this issue up and talking about a criminal offense per se, saying that let all other issues be set aside. In fact, yesterday, Abhishek Manu Singhvi in his press conference said that I'm not even talking about her qualification. What I'm talking about right now is the lie that she's really said. And if it is not a lie, then she should come out and clarify. Interestingly, today Smriti Irani has spoken about how, you know, she should be judged on the basis of the kind of work that she is going to do in her ministry and not on the basis of her educational qualification. But no specific answer really coming from on why that discrepancy in that election affidavit. So that is something perhaps the BJP really has to answer vis-a-vis her affidavit and that discrepancy over there. Meanwhile, the Congress has also said that this isn't a personal attack. We do not want to attack Smriti Irani personally, but it is a question of propriety. Why that lie in that affidavit? If we had to attack Smriti Irani personally, the educational qualification of others also in the BJP cabinet. They've also said that there's Uma Bharti, there's Harsimrat Kaur, but here it is a question of lying in an affidavit, and that really is the main issue. We can only expect this, controversy over her educational qualification to hot up further from here on, especially after the response has come in from Smriti Irani. No clarification on why the discrepancy in the affidavit, but of course she's gone on to reiterate that she should be judged by the quality of her work and not by a particular degree or diploma in that sense.
Extraneous circumstances have been created to ensure that my attention is deviated from the body of work that I've been entrusted with. I have been judged by my organization with regards to my capacity to deliver on assignments. I will humbly request all of you that judge me by my work, and I think I would not like to add anything more to the statement that I have made.